If you want to stop your photos from automatically uploading to OneDrive, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. This is really useful if you want to save cloud storage, keep certain photos private, or simply stop OneDrive from backing up everything without asking. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, look at the bottom right corner of your Windows screen near the clock. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon. Click that icon to open the OneDrive menu. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons first. Once the OneDrive panel opens, look for the gear icon in the top corner and click it. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the OneDrive settings window where you can control syncing and backup options for your account. Now, inside the settings panel, find the section called Sync and Backup. This is the area that manages what OneDrive is currently backing up from your device. Next, click Manage Backup if that option is available. On some devices, OneDrive may automatically turn on backup for folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. If you see that your Pictures folder is included, that's most likely why your photos are being uploaded automatically. Now look for the Pictures option or anything labeled Photos Backup and turn it off. This is the key step that stops OneDrive from uploading your photos in the background. If OneDrive asks you to confirm the change, just accept it so the new setting is saved. Once that's done, your photos should no longer sync automatically to OneDrive. If you want to make sure everything is fully turned off, you can go back into the sync and backup section one more time and double check that picture backup is disabled. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've turned off automatic photo uploads to OneDrive and taken back control of your files. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other OneDrive settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.